Hi, Jake Walker here again, and today I'm joined by Matt Zeilhofer, who heads up our test equipment division. Matt, I was wondering if you could tell us a little bit about yourself.
Appreciate the opportunity, love to. So I joined SBS Nolan about 4 months ago. Been really enjoying my time here as a business unit director for test. Before that, I was at a company called Quick Cable, which is actually a supplier to SBS Nolan. And before that, I was with Milwaukee Tool doing product development. So went from working on small lithium batteries to automotive batteries, and now I'm in the big boys. So I feel like I moved up in my career.
That's great.
So Jake, I couldn't help but notice you're wearing safety glasses again. Planning on getting in a fight, or you got something to tell us?
Well, I'm not ready to join your fight club yet, Matt, but maybe someday. But in all seriousness, I wanted to start out our conversation today with a little safety message. And just remind everyone to wear their safety glasses in the warehouse, okay?
I would hate to get acid in my eyes.
You do have a nice set of peepers, so let's keep them that way.
Thanks.
Matt, I know there's a lot of exciting things going on in the test team, and I was hoping you could tell us about them.
Oh, I appreciate the opportunity. There really is a lot of exciting things going on. First, I want to thank the Southern Stationary team for jumping on and really pushing the test opportunities and the sales. We actually just had our first successful Equalink sale, so thank you for moving this ball forward so rapidly. We started working with Construct Connect, and we have a campaign going. Over the last year, Natalie on our stationary team has been compiling a list of high quality target accounts for us to go after. These could be engineering firms or organizations that bought batteries or quoted on batteries over the last year. So we sent out a physical mailer of about 1,800 different mailers, and then we sent out an e-blast last week. We have another e-blast coming out next week, and just this morning we finished a cold calling training class. So next week we're going to start cold calling or calling all of these organizations that have received a mailer and an e-blast. So very excited about that opportunity. Additionally, we're working with the University of Wisconsin-Milwaukee on a very exciting hydrometer project. So we're looking at a cost competitive model, somewhere around $1,000 or less, targeted towards the motive market, but can fall into the stationary market as well. The team there just came and visited us last week. So 5 students came and visited us last week, and they're going to produce not only a model, but they're actually going to produce schematics and a feasibility study for us. So we're very excited about working alongside them.
That's a lot of great stuff, Matt. What about the stationary team? I hear they're doing a lot too.
Absolutely. I get to sit next to George and hear about the stationary team every day, but I just learned today that they added an additional service coordinator. I believe that brings their team up to 3. And obviously the increased scheduling demands on our field service teams was driving that. So growth throughout the organization has been successful. They just had their annual face-to-face meetings, and I believe they set their 2019 goals, which includes implementation of a 3-tier UPS PMI program. And additionally, they have QR codes to battery testing labels fixed to battery after testing. So a lot of exciting activity from the stationary team.
That's great.
So you've been here, what, about a month now? How do you like the company?
Matt, I have been welcomed with open arms. Everywhere I go, everyone I meet is excited about their job, engaged in what they do, and just downright friendly. I've been stopped in the hall to say hello, and everywhere I look, someone's smiling. So I really feel like I'm home.
Well, welcome home, Jake.
Thanks
Glad to have you.
Thank you. Good to be here.
So have you been working on anything else lately?
That's a great question, Matt. We have a lot of things going on right now. In addition to what you've already been talking about, I've also been involved with a team headed up by Mandy Williams that's looking at our ERP platform and how that's going to carry us into the future as we become one company. They're looking at our 2 in-house platforms, Greentree and Infor. In addition to that, we're running demos with Epicor and NetSuite to determine which is the best platform. This is a very important topic, so look for information coming down the stream about that. If anyone out there is passionate about this, please feel free to reach out to your leadership team and make sure your viewpoints are expressed and carried up.
Wow, very exciting. So a very large decision, good team behind it. What factors are you guys weighing in when you're making a decision of this magnitude?
There's a lot of factors that go into this, Matt. Just to name a few, we look at obviously the initial cost and the recurring annual cost, how much disruption this is going to create for our business, how much change our team members are going to have to face as they use the new system, and which system is the best equipped to carry us into the future.
Fascinating stuff. Anything else you want to share with us today?
Yeah, we've had some initial conversations about branding. You know, it's very important as we continue to come together, what image and a brand we want to present to ourselves, to our customer base, and to the market in general. So this is a very important conversation, and you'll be seeing more of that down the road.
Well, I appreciate all the information you shared with us today. If anybody out there has any questions for Jake, please reach out to Bill Young at bill.young@sbsbattery.com, and Jake will get you answers.
See you out there.